In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide non-video participants in Zoom. If you've ever been in a crowded meeting where half the room has cameras turned off, your screen can fill up with blank tiles and names. Hiding non-video participants cleans up your view so you only see the people who are actively on camera, making it easier to follow the conversation and share screen space. To do this, make sure you're in your Zoom meeting window and look for the View Options control. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the top of the meeting window. If someone is sharing their screen, you'll see a bar across the top with View Options. If no one is sharing, you'll see a View button in the top right. Go ahead and click View Options to open the menu of layout choices. In that menu, select Hide Non-Video Participants. The moment you click it, Zoom removes tiles for anyone whose camera is off from your visible grid. You won't remove them from the meeting. You're only changing how you see the meeting on your device. This is great for presenters, moderators, or anyone who wants to focus on active speakers without distractions. If you change your mind later, just go back to the same view menu and toggle the option off to bring everyone back into view, including those with cameras off. In this demonstration, I'm the only participant, so you won't notice a visual change. In a larger meeting, though, this setting instantly hides all non-video participants. You'll see only the people who have their cameras turned on, whether you're in gallery view or speaker view. It also helps reduce the number of pages you have to scroll through when there are many attendees. A couple of quick tips as you use this. The Hide Non-Video Participant setting affects only your personal view. It doesn't mute or remove anyone, and it doesn't impact recordings that capture the active speaker or shared screen. If you can't find the option, check that you're using the desktop app and that it's up to date, since labels and menu locations can vary slightly between versions and platforms. Even when hidden, those attendees can still send chat messages, raise a hand, or unmute if allowed. Zoom will notify you as usual. It's especially handy while sharing slides, because the video gallery shrinks to only the cameras you care about. It's a personal view preference, so toggle it on and off whenever you need. That's all there is to it. Click View Options, choose Hide Non-Video Participants, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused meeting layout.